marketing strategies for small business. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you 5 marketing strategies for small businesses with the help of which you can do marketing of your businesses without any investment. In this era of technology, if you want success in your business, then you have to know the right ways and strategies to market your business and grow it. In this video, I will guide you step by step how can you give growth to your small business through marketing. So basically, I am going to tell you how you can market your small businesses from the basics. So let's get started. So first of all, let's know about what marketing strategy is. The purpose of marketing strategy is to make a plan for your products and services. The ultimate goal of marketing strategy is to reach your targeted audience of your products and services and increase the visibility of your brand. Some small business owners underestimate nearby marketing, but this marketing is a very good way to grow your small business because in this marketing strategy, you will share your products and services with your friends, family, relatives, and communicate with them. And if they need your products and services and they buy them, then you can take feedback of your products from them, and also your business will grow without any marketing investment because then your friends, relatives, and family members will know about your business and they will share your products and services to others. So if your business is new, then you have to bring the first 20 to 30 customers with the help of nearby marketing, and as soon as your business starts growing, you can leave the nearby marketing strategy. If you look closely at all the successful businesses in the world, you will see one thing common in them, and that is they adopted content marketing strategy to grow their business. And Bill Gates had also said that content is the king. In 2022, the Hotspot reported that 70% of the business use content marketing strategy. In content marketing, you have to create videos, infographics, and articles that are valuable, relevant, and for your target audience, in which you will tell about your products. Or if your product can solve any problem, then you can tell them in the videos, articles, or infographics that your product can solve that problem and they will get value to buy your product. If you want to promote your products or services with the help of articles, then you can create a blog. If you want to promote them with the help of videos, then you can create a YouTube channel. And if you want to promote them with the help of infographics, then you can use a platform called Pinterest. Email marketing. Most of you may not know what email marketing is. So first of all, let us know what is email marketing. So you must have noticed that sometimes you receive an email in which some companies promote their products and services to you, and this is called email marketing. Majority of the businesses use email marketing as their primary marketing strategy to grow their business and generate more leads, and over 89% of the businesses use these marketing strategies in their businesses, and 79% of these companies say that email marketing is a key to their business success, and this is why email marketing is growing every single year. The business who adopt this marketing strategy firstly finds the emails of their targeted audience and sends them email. Not a spam email, but an informative email in which they tell them about their products or services and also tell them that this problem can be solved by our products or services. There are 4 types of emails: promotional emails, transactions emails, information emails, and retention emails. And if you want to reach and sell your products to your targeted audience, then you can use promotional emails. So right now we will talk about only the promotion emails, because if we start talking about all types of emails, then the video will become very long. So in promotion emails, you have to reach your products or services to others through emails with an eye-catching call to action as known as CTA. For example, you can say that buy this product to solve your problem or buy this product for a comfortable living. And even if you have put a discount on your products or services, then you can still send promotion emails to your target audience with an attractive call to action. So I suggest you to send emails to your target audience for marketing in their business. So now let's move on our next marketing strategy, which is social media marketing. If your business is small to medium level, then you can use social media marketing, as known as SMM strategy. This marketing strategy is very famous because 71% of small to medium level businesses use social media for marketing and for close-ups. This marketing strategy is very famous because 71% of small to medium level businesses use social media for marketing, and close to 3 billion people are using social media platforms. There are many social media platforms where you can market your products or services such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Reddit, Quora, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and etc. In these social media platforms, you can share videos, images, post, articles, and links related to your products and services. In this marketing strategy, you have to create accounts on different social media platforms and start posting there about your products and services to connect with your audience, increase visibility, and sales. If your business is currently making some profits, then you can run ads on these social media platforms because many businesses get customers after running advertisements. If you run ads on these social media platforms, you will reach your target audience quickly because when the ad is running on these platforms, this platform will promote your content and reach it to your target audience quickly. There are many social media platforms where you can advertise your products, but you have to choose social media platforms where you feel that your target audience is more engaged. If you do not run advertisements on these platforms, then you have to wait for a period of time and publish more content to build your audience and start getting some response. So running advertisements is a quick way to reach your target audience and build brand awareness. Affiliate marketing. If your business has gone well and you have started getting some customers, then you can use affiliate marketing strategy. If you do not know about affiliate marketing, then don't worry. I will explain to you. So in affiliate marketing, others sell your product on commission basis. For example, if you have a product and start the affiliate marketing strategy for your business and some individuals try to sell your product and then sell it, then you give them a 5% to 10% commission based on the price of the product, and that's called affiliate marketing. They send your product through their blogs, websites, social media accounts, and YouTube channels to generate some passive income, and due to which your product visibility will increase and you will attract more customers to your business. This type of marketing strategy is becoming very popular in the business world. 81% of companies are using affiliate marketing strategies to grow their business and generate more leads. There are many famous companies and platforms which are increasing their sales with the help of affiliate marketing. For example, Amazon, ClickBank, Fiverr, eBay, Shopify, HubSpot, and etc. The revenue rate of affiliate marketing is increasing by 10% every year, and this rate is continuing from 2015 to 2023. And this means that affiliate marketing is growing every year, and in the upcoming times, more companies and agencies will adopt affiliate marketing strategy in their business. And that's all for today. And today we learned about 5 strategies with the help of which you can grow your small business without any investment. And if you have investment, then you can run advertisements for your business and generate more leads. I hope you have learned something from my video and found the video informative. See you in the next one.